Well, hello everyone. Today I would like to show you how I manage 21, you can see here, 21 live active with this powerful tool with only 3.5 gigabyte RAM. You can see here the memory is only 3.5 gigabyte RAM. How I manage it? This software is very powerful. If you don't believe me, you can see my dashboard here. You can see here this is so good. The connection is so good. And I will show you how I manage. This time I would like to show you because I want to change my live streaming. You can see here. There is two video that have two streaming key, has two streaming key, the active one with this, and I want to change the active one with this. Okay, now we have to go to stream key and look for kunci 3. Kunci 3, this one, double click it. Well, you can see here kunci 3 bed 1, you can see this one, and I want to change it with this. So we go to the browser, go to here and go to here. So the edit is done. Because the edit is done and we cannot delete here the one in the background here, we have to put it this one to select key stream, so it will be appearing in here. You can see here, and this is actually the same with this one is actually the same with this one. So this one will end in 4 hour 48 minutes 38 seconds. So because it's still having streaming in my channel, so we have to change it first. Sorry, this one I will delete it for 4 hour and 48 minutes later. So this one will, when this one stop, I will delete this keystream and change it to this. So we have to have the same setting with this. So let's see, the schedule start on 7 and 19, and the duration we can set also with by clicking this. We tick this jadwal setiap hari. It means that we schedule every day at 7% and 19. It means that 7 a.m. in the morning and 19 is 7 p.m. in the night, in the evening. So we can set the duration here, how long it will be live stream. It's gonna be 11, 45, 32. It's up to you how long the duration you want. So we can put schedule now. Okay, it's done. So you can see here the schedule start on 7 in the morning and 7 in the evening. This is the duration. So it calls schedule daily. It means every day schedule. It will be automatically started at 7 in the morning and 7 in the evening. So we don't need to push start here, because if you push start here, the connection will automatically right now connected to our live streaming in the YouTube studio. So this is how I manage. So it will be continuously automatically start at the time we set, using this powerful tool with only 3.5 gigabyte RAM. Well, if you want to know more about this software, please write your comment below. Thank you for watching.